Hello everyone, Natalie here from Serpwizz, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are still doing the series for Ahrefs, but as we have finished the core tools before on the last video, then today we will now be discussing about the extra tools and features that come with signing up for an Ahrefs account. So in order to access those tools, or for you to be able to know those tools, you just have to go to ahrefs.com and then scroll down to the bottommost part. We have actually, if you have been following this series of tutorials, and you would know that we have done a separate video that discusses or graces the tip of the iceberg about this extra tools and features. But today we'll be going through one by one, just a quick review slash tutorial on how you can use them or utilize them once you sign up for products and services. So let's not take longer than we need. We just have to click on this and then we will be directed to another page wherein you can find information about the tool itself or the feature itself. And for this video, we will be highlighting on domain comparison. So what does domain comparison do? Here you can see that it allows you to see your website's backlink metrics in comparison with your competitors. So here we have an example of how the dashboard looks like with Ahrefs. Here you go. So this is if you click on it, the dashboard, and then these are the tabs for the different core tools that comes with signing up with an account with Ahrefs. And then if you toggle this tab, which is more, then you would be able to find the X tools and features that are included when you purchase their products and services. So here, click on that, you see domain comparison. And what domain comparison does is, from the term itself, it compares your strength of your domain to your competitor. So you can enter domains here, let's say your website, and then another, and then your competitors, and another, and another, and another. So this is great because you would be able to compare your website to your competitors side by side, looking at all these metrics and variables, and then see um, which one you're doing well with and which ones to improve, what are your competitors' strengths and weaknesses. And you can use that to your advantage in optimizing your website or your content. So here we have, it says that domain comparison allows you to compare links growth over time. So we have a graph here that shows um it can show your domain as well as the other domains that you inputted right here, and you compare those using a graph and you see the trend, which ones are stagnant, which ones are improving, and you have an insight of like the previous one, which ones to improve, and which ones are thriving in your website and as well as your competitors. Really, that you want to check and let you see side by side comparisons of those domains and use it to your benefit or advantage in improving your website and other types of content. So that is it for this feature, which is domain comparison. We will be doing more on our next videos, and we hope to see you there.